Policy tuning options, hash whitelisting, blacklisting, and file exclusions. Determine the detection alert type, machine learning or behavioral based. Review the process tree to understand origin and related processes. Examine what is normal for the system, user, or group. These are the NGAV and activity prevented detection types. On the console in detections, review all new detections with the new filter applied. Here we have a low severity activity prevented detection. Activity prevented detections range from high to low in severity. A target file may or may not have been quarantined. The file attribute analysis machine learning configuration analyzes executable attributes. A secondary file analysis layer extracts additional metadata relating to the executable process initiation. Update the status, assignment, and notes for the detection. In this detection, we recognize the target file as VPN config.exe, which is a configuration package being deployed on systems in this environment. As such, we'll set the status as a false positive. We'll also add a note indicating this detection was reviewed. Next, we should consider whether we need to whitelist the executable to prevent further detections from occurring. Whitelisting for false positives can be achieved by updating the hash prevention policy with a never block reaction. We can see from the detection that no hash prevention policy is currently defined. Click on the Update Hash Policy icon to add the hash to your policy. Select Never Block to whitelist. File exclusions are another option for tuning false positive machine learning detections. You can exclude by executable, folder, or file path. Let's repeat the previous example we used for the hash whitelisting. Refer to the command line path and copy the path excluding the drive letter. Launch File Exclusions configuration from the left menu pane. Assign a group to receive the exclusions. Copy the path for your exclusion pattern. In this example, we'll replace user 1 in the profile path with a wildcard so the pattern will apply to other users. We can even test our pattern against various profile paths to ensure it's correct. Falcon's Next Generation AV registers a Windows Security Center as the antivirus protection for the system. Here's a low-level NGAV detection indicating a potential adware or PUP executable. We are not familiar with this executable in our environment and will select the VT hash icon to review more information on virus total. We note almost a 1-to-2 detection ratio among all present antivirus solutions. The details also state that this is the Spy Shelter security tool, which is not approved in our environment. Companies should follow their own defined incident response process for true positives. As such, we'll set the status for this detection to true positive. Then blacklist this executable to ensure it is not run again within our environment. Blacklisting for true positives can be achieved by updating the hash prevention policy with an always block reaction. Click the Update Hash policy to configure an always block for this file hash when executed. In this video, we reviewed whitelisting as a policy tuning option for NGAV and machine learning detections. Tuning for all other behavioral detection types will require support-assisted whitelisting. More information on policy tuning with whitelisting or file exclusions is available in our support portal knowledge base.